a vision that started 25 years ago, has blossomed into a legacy of excellence, nurturing thousands of young minds across our vibrant campuses. With every milestone, we've grown stronger, building not just institutions, but future of young Indians. Gitanjali is building institutions, but inspiring environments where learning and secure campus environment, from smart classrooms that spark imagination to advanced science and computer labs that foster innovation, from peaceful libraries to inspiring art studios and expansive playgrounds that encourage fitness and fun. At Gitanjali, learning is more than just lessons. Collaborative classrooms where discussions, activities, and group work fuel peer learning, practical and real-time learning, from labs to life-based applications. We make concepts come alive, personalized instruction, giving each student the attention and strategies they need to succeed. Inquiry-based learning, we encourage curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking every day. Tech-integrated lessons, blending traditional teaching with digital tools for maximum engagement. At Gitanjali, every child is more than a student. They're artists, athletes, musicians, and leaders in the making. From sports to stage, music to martial arts, art to robotics, we fuel creativity and confidence at every step. Our state-of-the-art facilities and passionate coaches help students discover their hidden potential. Whether it's winning a match, performing on stage, or expressing through a brushstroke, Gitanjali empowers every child to shine, not just in exams, but in life. At Gitanjali, we believe that learning isn't confined to four walls. Our carefully planned field trips take students into museums, farms, science centers, eco parks, industries, and beyond. Each trip is designed to connect classroom concepts with real-world experiences. From observing marine life to understanding ancient history firsthand,
my daughter has been studying in Gitanjali International School since last year, and the school conducts a lot of competition which keeps the kids on toes. The mentors are very invested and they just keep the kids so excited. The kids exactly know how much to perform, what to perform, when to perform, and that's the best part because it will enhance creativity in them. It will build a personality which cannot be taken away from them. We are living in the era of AI where clearly anything else can be replaced but creativity. So the school is really futuristic and I'm really proud that my daughter is studying there.
My name is Suchitra and I'm a proud parent of Gitanjali. My son's name is Oliver Franklin, who is in grade 2 now. The best that happened in Gitanjali was the Learners Program, where through the pre-assessments they understood my child's learning gaps, and Gitanjali tried to fill that learning gap with the appropriate knowledge and given time to see that my child develops in it. Now I'm really happy the way, with the cooperation of the teachers and the Gitanjali group, my son has overcome all that gap and really doing well in his academics.
This is Krishna here, mother of Chavi Rawat. She's doing grade 3 with Gitanjali International School. We relocated from Gujarat state. At starting it was everything new, like people, culture, language, food. We worried about our daughter, how she's going to catch the flow, but we have seen the magic. Teachers did a great job. They completely aligned her with the school ethics and curriculum. She enjoyed going school, developed a lot. We just relaxed now. Teaching methodology is great here. Focus on individual student, gap assessment are plus here. I highly appreciate the way they keep the kids with full joy and learning, totally engaged with field trip, inter-house competition, and cultural importance, sports, drawing, music, dance. life skill learnings, and many more. I am really proud parent to be associated with Geetanjali.